What's up, guys? Just another day in the kitchen. Happy New Year's to all of you. You know we had to come fashionably late for this first upload of the year. Shout out to Falling in Reverse with their single Fashionably Late. We've done business with those guys. Awesome dudes. But besides the point, we're here for a new review. We're here for a new year. Make sure you guys are following us on Instagram at We Don't Cook Food. All of our social media, Twitter, Facebook, whatever, to stay connected. That way you guys know what's going on. We're almost at 10,000 followers. You know, as soon as we hit that, we'll be having another giveaway, I'm sure. So make sure you guys stay tuned. But as you could tell from the title of the video, today is about the Nike swoosh. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at the off-white Nike Air Force 1 Volts. Let's get it on. Now, as you guys know, first things first, we're always going to go ahead and check out the box. Just so the people at home, in case you want to make a decision before you ever want to buy a pair of sneakers like this. I've said this a few times in our videos. That's always the most important thing to me, because as you guys know, in the sneaker culture, it's definitely not the cheapest hobby to get into. So always feel free to use these videos as like a legit check. So on a regular box, this will not be included. This is from a secondary reseller, but this is a label that will always be included on there. I just want to give you guys a better look. As you guys can see, Nike, Nike, Nike. What do you guys think? You know, before we even get into this, do you think that Nike's going to have another killer year? Me personally, I think that they definitely stepped up from the last year. Adidas was killing 2016, 2017 maybe, so you know, Nike said they had to step up. Their collabs with, you know, celebrities like Travis Scott and just the likes, and the obvious Off-White collab definitely helped them. But let's go ahead and get into this. Can I get a drum roll, please? Alright guys, here we go. Let's check these babies out. Sheesh. Wow. Right off the bat, here we are, guys. Again, Nike Air Force 1s, the Volts. Wow, before I even take these out of the box, these are jumping at me. I hope that the camera can pick up how loud and vibrant these are. If not, I'll go ahead and shoot them outside a little bit better so you guys can get a better color view at them. But wow, these are super loud. I mean, they might even be louder or brighter than the actual Yeezy semi-frozens, but wow, enough of me talking. Let's dive into this. So here we have it, guys. Again, these are the off-white Nike Air Force 1 Volts. They're one of two. Another colorway came out that was black. I'm just going ahead and showing you guys some angles before I get into the better angles. But yeah, my first impressions, these are fire. I mean, they're so loud and vivid. I don't know that I could pull these off, but I know I'm gonna have to try. But yeah, wow. Definitely let us know what you guys think in the comments. Were you able to cop them? I know at the time that they dropped, the retail was $170, so with tax probably like $180 or so. Right now, a good resale price is probably in the 400s, but it's not uncommon to see them go for cheaper on StockX. Wow. I'm about to stop talking just so you guys can get into these. I hope you guys had an awesome new year, and let us know what you guys think. Let's get it. Oh yeah guys, I also wanted to show you just the actual wrapping paper itself. It's pretty fire. Always something custom when it comes to Off-White. Here you guys can see the actual Off-White logo right here, accompanied by the Nike logo. I went ahead and took the actual sneakers out so you guys can get a better glance of what it looks like. But yeah, special wrapping paper. I think that every single pair of exclusive sneakers or collab sneakers should definitely have something like this just to make it more special. I know it definitely makes it more memorable for me as a consumer and collector, but yeah guys, let's get ahead. Alright guys, so this was our little review again of the Off-White Nike Air Force 1 Volts. Something I wanted to ask you guys just in general, YouTube people, I have no idea how to not make the color drown out on these. I'm hoping that the color will be picked up on these, but these are seriously as like bright as a highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead and put up a picture so you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, if you guys like can't see the color pickup that I'm talking about, then please let me know in the comments. I just have the camera on auto mode. I don't really know too much about this stuff yet, but I want to make the best videos I can for you guys. But yeah, let us know what you guys think. I hope that this helped you guys in case you were thinking about copping a pair of these, because like I said, it can be a little intimidating and expensive. So yeah, let us know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have an awesome new year, fulfill all your goals. Comment in below, what are you guys looking forward to this year? Yeah, let us know what you guys are looking forward to in this new year, and hopefully we could cook something up. As always, thank you guys for cooking with us, and stay safe. I hope this is our best year yet for all of us involved. Thank you guys. Peace.